Hello friends, in this video we will see how to set a drawing limits and units in AutoCAD, and then we will see a rectangle command from draw toolbar. We will draw this figure which you see onto the screen step by step and learn some important command in each subsequent video. So let's begin. Setting the drawing limits and units is a very first step before we start to create any drawing. So to set drawing limits, go to Format, and here we have drawing limits at bottom. Click on it and read the command prompt. Specify lower left corner, and here by default the value is 0, 0, and we generally keep it same, so directly press enter. Read next command prompt. Specify the upper right corner, and then specify the coordinates of this corner point according to the size of a paper on which you will prefer to take a printout of your final drawing. Here let's say that as this drawing can fit in a paper of A4 size, we can specify its size, which is 297 by 210, as a coordinate of a upper right corner. So type 297, 210 and enter. It's not done yet. The immediate command you should use after this is zoom command. So type zoom and say enter. Read the available options in a rectangular bracket. For now, we will select the first option, which is all, and in order to select it, simply type A, which is an initial of all, and enter. Now limits are set. Let's now set units. So for that, go to the Format, select Units, and this window will appear. Select length type, decimal, keep precision to 0, and then select units as millimeter and click on OK. Now units are also set. Now we are ready to prepare our drawing. So first up, we will draw a square of size 100 by 100. To do that, go to Draw toolbar, select Rectangle command, and read the command prompt. Specify first corner point. So to specify the first corner point, you have to use your left mouse button and click it once and just drag your mouse. So you can see we are in a rectangle command. Now to specify another point of a rectangle randomly, you can simply click left mouse button, but here we have to draw a square of a perfect size, which is 100 by 100. So as we know the dimension, we will not click anywhere randomly, but we will provide the exact dimensions which we want. So if you read the command prompt, which is specify other corner point, or in rectangular bracket, area, dimensions and rotation. So out of these three, what do we know are the dimensions? So to select the dimensions, we will simply type D, which is an initial of a dimension, and say enter. And read the next command prompt. Specify length for rectangle. So here our square is having a length 100. So we will type 100 in command bar and say enter. Next command prompt is specify width for rectangles. So that is also 100. So give that input, that is 100, by typing it and say enter. Now here we have a square of a size 100 by 100, but yet we are still in the command because we have to specify the fixed location of this bottommost corner point. Meaning that whether you need to locate this bottommost corner of the square at the bottom right side or bottom left side. So wherever you want to place it, you just simply need to drag your mouse. Even if you want to keep it to the top side, you can do that too. So you just need to shift your mouse in the required direction. Once you locate the final position of that corner, then do a final click And here we have a square of a size 100 by 100.